Yeah, today I'm excited because I have the Osmo Action here in China. I got it off a website called jd.com, and we're gonna see what is in the box. I've never really done a box unboxing, so I'm filming this on my old, it's an IE Geek Full HD 108p action camera, which is, if you look at my YouTube, I've been using that, but I think it's time to upgrade now. And let's see what we got. So, ooh, it's a big box. It's a big box. Osmo Action Explorer Combo. The Osmo Action Explorer Combo. Yeah, so what we're going to have in here, let's have a look. How do we get into it? You know, these companies nowadays, they put a lot of effort into their boxes. It's not been opened, so that's a good thing, I think. Ooh. Lots of boxes. Yeah. So what we got? We've got the Osmo Action Ready to Go kit. This cost me just over 2,000 RMB. It cost me just over 2,000 RMB. I'll put the exact price on the screen. So the Osmo Action Ready to Go kit. What else we got in here? We've got Osmo Action Extension Rod. Osmo Action Extension Rod. Ooh. What else do we have in here? We have the camera itself. Wow, the camera itself. Ooh. More, and I think this is the last one. What's this? Oh, the ND filter kit. ND filter kit. So that's I think that's it. There's a bit of stuff down here, but that's just cardboard. That's empty. So there's the box. So let's see. What have we got here? Camera first. In the box, Osmo Action battery, USB-C cable, quick release base, curved adhesive mount, battery case, locking screw, flat adhesive mount. So we need to see what we have. Take the glasses up because I'm getting old, and how do we get into these things? Pull that off, and then it's vacuum packed with a, oh, is that some gluey stuff? No, we're going to use the good old steel rule. Try and score this plastic without spoiling the box. There we go. I mean, these all look very nice, but the amount of packaging is sometimes a little bit not very I think that comes open. Often you need a degree in some sort of graphic design to, oh no, there it is, to get these things open. There, haha. There. It's like opening a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. And here we have the camera. Ooh. Much heavier than my little IE Geek. There it is, my camera. Here's the camera. What else is in the box? I'm sure those of you who are interested in this camera have seen this a million times, but you know, it's a big event for me. We've got the various bits and pieces. That's a battery. There's a little booklet in there. You don't need to look at that. That's various cables. So cool. let's put that back in there. And the camera. Where did I put this nice little plastic bag? Let's put it in there to keep it safe for the moment. Osmo ready to go kit. Osmo ready to go kit. I'm ready to go. And we will be going out this afternoon once I played with it for a bit. Oh, there you go. In a nice box. The Osmo ready to go kit. So, let's see what it's got. So what we got here, ready to go kit. What they call this? A cage. Looks cool. What's this? Oh, battery charger. Battery charger. Cool. Battery. Various sticky things. You know, stick on. Those various sticky things. More various sticky things. So that's cool. Let's put that all back. Whence it came. Did that go in that way or that way? That way. No, that's the Osmo Action Kit. Put that over there. Now we have the Osmo Action Rod. I have various sort of cheapo rods like this one here, as you can see. Maybe or maybe not in the shop. Okay. Don't go away. There. That's that off. That's that open. And nothing in there. Let's see what we have here. As you would expect, it's a selfie stick, I guess, is that's what you call it in common parlance. Looks very nice. Have to work out how to use that. And filters. I've been seeing that these filters are around. I've been watching some videos, as you do, you know, before you buy these things. I think the first thing I've got to do with this camera is upgrade the firmware, so I need to learn how to do that. So a nice little filter kit in a nice little plastic. You know, it's well boxed, well contained. You know, it looks the biz. I have to learn how. I'm not a great cameraman, but you know, it's got filters. And this is one of the things that people on YouTube have been saying, that this is where this camera, you know, beats GoPro, is with the removable lens. You can unscrew this lens, put different filters on, whereas I believe on the GoPro, which I've never had, it's all built in, and it's a pain in the ass. And also this front screen is meant, you know, you've got a front screen so you can use it. Like I'm looking at this camera now and I don't even know if I'm in frame. It could be a complete bust. Anyway, I'm going to go away and read the book, as you do, but I will read the book and see, because I want to do this properly. And yeah, then I'm going out this afternoon on my bike, so I will shoot some footage and we'll see what it's like. So thank you very much.